Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to get the customer saved designs. So let's get started. First, go to your Inkybay app admin, then hover on orders and click customer saved designs. From here you'll find all of your customer saved design. You can also find any particular design from filter search. You can filter by date or email and then click on the search icon to find the design. You can also download all of the customers made designs in a CSV file. Let me show you that. Let's click on export as CSV. Save. Let me show the file. See? Here you will find all of your customer saved design in a single file. You will have the design name, the email of your customers, and the design window link for the particular design. Now let's go back to Inkybay. Now if you click on any design image, it will directly zoom in the design that your customer has made. And if you click on the eye icon followed by the design name, it will right away direct you to the designer window and will show you the design that your customer has made. See? From here, you can place the order on behalf of your customer. You can send a quote request on behalf of your customer. And you can also add any additional design here and then do the same on behalf of your customer. So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.